Natural Divas, it is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you with another video. Today's video is going to be my next Monday makeup day, makeup series. This is number 3, and if you would like to see what this one is about, continue to watch. Alright guys, I am back. Now, if you are new to my channel and you like the content that you're seeing, hit the subscription button down there, the red button, and the notification bell. On this channel, I talk about beauty, makeup, lifestyle, and my natural hair. I have been doing this now for a year, and I hope the content that you're getting, that you like. So here we go with my next series to this. My next video to this series is the tools to use when it comes to makeup. Guys, I was a person who didn't know what to use, how to use, what type of brushes to use. I mean, what brush does what for my eyes, what brush does for your contouring, what does for bronzing. I didn't know none of that. My daughter-in-law, who's, as I always say on here, is the MUA, she has taught me some things when it comes to what to use and how to use it, and she's also showed me some videos to watch to help when it comes to learning how to do my makeup. So I will go back and watch those videos. I will talk to her and she will walk me through the stuff, and I am finally getting it when it comes to my everyday makeup. I think I'm doing okay. I mean sometimes my lashes don't want to stay on like the other video I showed y'all where I got a lash that want to hang down here, but I am learning slowly but surely, but learning. But what I wanted to bring to y'all is a short video of telling you what I use. I have found a place to give me some great prices when it comes to my tools. Guys, makeup can cost some money. The tools that we use can cost some money, and a lot of people don't have that kind of funds. So my coins I'm trying to keep and still get a decent product. Okay, so I found a place called Shop AOA. I'm gonna try to put the website here. Shop Miss AOA, and I have found some. No, Shop Miss A is the thing that I think it's called. Shop Miss A, and I have found some makeup tools from them that I have fallen in love with. I will buy from them from now on. I make sure I go there at least once a month and buy some stuff from them. One thing I get from them, let me get it, hold up. Okay, I'm back. I don't buy makeup from them. I buy the tools from them, and I buy some of the supplies from them. What I got from them the first time is when I brought these lashes. These are the AOA Studio 6-pack everyday lashes. They're called Scarlet. They're close to natural. They're black. They are lashes I can use more than 3 times if I wash them and take care of them. Sometimes I can go 5 days with using one set of these lashes. Just taking them off and just washing them off. Not really washing them, but using some water or some micellar water and just wiping them down with sponge or with a Q-tip, and it comes clean, and I'm able to wear them for 5 days. They are a great price. You get 6 for $5 something, $5.47, $5.97. I can't remember the exact number, but I got it for no more than $6, and you get 6, so it's $1 a lash. And they last for more. I can get, as I said, 5 days out of it. So 5 times 6 is 30 days. I can use one of these in a month. So this was a great buy for me from this website. Another thing I got from them is when I try to take off my makeup, I used to buy, I think I've talked about these before, I used to buy the Walmart makeup remover wipes, but they were kind of expensive to me. It's like I would get so many for $5 something or $6, and it really wasn't doing what I wanted to do. They weren't in rose water, they were generic. Well, I bought these AOA Studio Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes in rose water. You get 15 in here, but it's only $1. So, I mean, my face felt better, it felt cleansed, it works well. it was worth the money for me. Because I was just using one of these, while I was using 2 of the Walmart brand. So this was really, you know, I like these rose water. I bought, I think I bought 10 of them for $10. I got 15, so that's a lot of wipes I have. And it was only $1 a pack. And my face feels so much clean, excuse me guys, cleaner with these than the other ones that I was using. Another thing I bought from them, because I have my brushes, and during the day I try to clean my brushes once a week, but sometimes my brushes just get so bad I might have to wash them during the middle of the week. But I found this dry brush cleaner. You just put your brush on there and just rub it across and it comes right off. It's by AOA. I think I paid $1 for this also. Majority of the stuff on here is going to be about $1 on this website. It is really great stuff. I even got my eyelash curler from there for $1. You can't, these are tools that you gotta have, you need to have when you're doing your makeup. But this is really good to clean a brush. You just rub it across here and it takes it right off, and you won't have anything on your brush. So I really love this. I take this sometimes when I travel out of town, or in my pocketbook. Not really my pocketbook. If I go out of town and I need something to clean my brushes real quick, I use this. Another thing I brought from them, because I'm a very oily girl, by the end of the midday I have to blot my face. I'm working on that with, you know, trying to help with my oiliness. But this blotting paper, guys, it is 50 sheets, and I think I paid 50 cents for each one of these. This is good. This is some great blotting paper. I still haven't gone through one yet, and you get 50 sheets. And I think I bought 5 of these. So you can, I think it was 50 cents or $1. I'm not for sure. I'm thinking it might be 50 cents or maybe $1. Don't know. Check the website out. But this blotting paper is amazing. It works wonders for my face. It cleanses. I can just hit it and I'm ready for the rest of the day. Love this blotting paper. And last but not least, something I brought from them that I use a lot, because I know people buy blending sponges, or what is they called? I can't think of the name of the sponges, but they sponges that everybody buy, and they're really expensive, like $20 a sponge. I am not paying $20 for a sponge. No, I'm not. Not here, I'm not. So I went online. I bought some from Real Techniques that was like $4 something, and they will break up after a while. So I was like, oh, they're okay. But then I went online and saw on this website that these sponges were $1. I said, okay, I'm gonna try the sponge. Guys, let me tell you something here. These sponges by AOA are the best thing I have ever bought from them. I bought 3 different kinds. I bought the one that's shaped like this. Let me open it up so you can see. I thought I had one already open. I hate opening up a new pack, but hey, I'll do it for you all. If I can get it open. Wait a minute. Alright, here we go. This right here, it looks small because it said you had to immerse them in water, and I did, and it blows up and it looks real bigger. It'll get bigger. But this here is amazing. It gets all up in the crevices and everything, and I love these sponges. They're soft. Here's one you can tell I've used it. Here's the other size I use, and it's real small like this, but then by the time you put it in water, get it damp, it blows up like this. Easy to clean, manageable. I love them. And even if they rip, this have not ripped yet. Even if they do rip, they only $1. $1, guys. $1. So I bought this and this, and then I bought the flat ones right here. Just to get around here when I'm out, you know, because my eyes runs a lot, and I would just do it like this so I can fix my eyes, under my eyes. So these 3 here, I bought about 20 of these, and they are amazing. They have they last more than a week. I say they last. I've had these, I've used these now for 2 weeks and have not broken. I've cleaned them. They don't have no smell. I mean, easy to clean, easy to use. I mean, my face, it's something working. So I just wanted to share this website with you all, guys. I will put the link down here at the bottom. It's a great place to get your tools if you're on a budget. Even if you're not on a budget and you want some great stuff, check them out. Great. This company did not sponsor me, period. None of my videos are sponsored. This is stuff that I like and I just want to share with you all. And this company here, I love it. I get all the stuff I need at a reasonable price, better than a reasonable price, and they are great quality, which is surprising. They are really good quality. So check it out. I just wanted to share this with you. Makeup Monday series number 3 is done. Thank you for your likes, your shares, your comments, and if you have any questions or concerns, please put it in the comment section. If you have something you want me to talk about or want me to check out, put it in the comment section. So thank you again for your love and support. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.